What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C Will back at it with another slight video, man. Y'all look, today's video just gonna be putting on our RGB Halo Kits Flow Series badge, man. All right, y'all. So as y'all see, I got all this stuff right here behind me, man. I'm gonna definitely show y'all everything that I got. All right, y'all. Got the car already on the lift, man. It's the first time the car has ever been on the lift. The first time I ever lifted it up and all that, y'all. So I might show y'all underneath the car, right? And just go from there, CEEFAM. All right, y'all. Sorry I haven't posted a video in almost a week. Your boy been grinding, been busy. I'm about to go on vacation, y'all, for about 2 weeks. So yeah, without further ado, man, like, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. So as y'all see, typical RGB Halo kits, man. We got the Flow Smart Switch controller, man. 8 outputs, as y'all see, 8 different cords right here. What's this boy right here, man? We got the converter. That's too easy. And then we got this right here, y'all. It says DRL and battery. So I don't really know. My other ones never came with this right here, y'all. So this will be interesting to see what's the reason that we have that switch right there for. And then we also got, you know, our positive, our ground wire. Always do the ground first. We got instructions, y'all, that we never really read. This is kind of plug and play, but not really, y'all. And then we got the good old badge right here, man. This boy gonna look good. So what I pretty much already did, y'all. All right, so as y'all know, lifted the car up. So our Stow and Show license plate bracket holder was pretty much on this side, all right, y'all, which entailed my license plate pretty much being in the way. So it would look like this, y'all. All right, so it would be like this, and then the badge would pretty much be right there. So I feel like it would be too much if I just put it like this with the badge sitting on top. I didn't want it to block the badge or nothing like that, y'all. Right, so instead I'm about to move the bracket from underneath here to this side. All right, y'all. So it'll look like this, and then the badge is gonna be over there all by itself, y'all. So yeah, pretty much it was just 2 10mm screws. I took this one out on this side. I took this one out as well, and then yeah, I'm gonna just undo this one, and move the bracket over, y'all, so I'll actually have room to work. All right, y'all. So that's what I'm doing right now. This right here is the bracket, you know. Self-explanatory, man. Too easy. It looked like the previous owner, they had put some stoppers or something right here. Yeah, some kind of stoppers, y'all, just so that it's a tight fit. All right, and then yeah, I'm gonna just go from there, y'all. So yeah, stay tuned, man. I know we definitely gonna have to take this little bezel piece right here off, and then reach our hand inside of here, just so we can like put the badge on, put the screws on the badge. But yeah, I'm gonna walk y'all through that, man, momentarily. CEEFAM, just want to give y'all boys an update of what we got going on, y'all. All right, so yeah, it's currently 5:22. Your boy went Apple Watch Ultra 3, man. Slight, yeah, after work grind, man. After work grind, y'all. But hey, stay tuned, bro. All right, y'all. So first thing I want to do, man, is just take out this cruise control bezel right here, y'all. So if you just reach in here, should be a couple clips, y'all. All right, so as y'all heard, all right, I already got it loose. So go this side now. Let's see. Voila, this thing come out like butter, y'all. Super duper easy. All right, y'all. So initially my plan, y'all, is to just reach my big hands in here, okay? And they actually have room. All right, y'all. Might have to put a towel or something in here. Well, put a towel or something right here, y'all, just so I don't scratch my hands up too much. And then yeah, pretty much put the badge right here, and then I'm gonna have to fish it through. I don't know, boy. I'm gonna have to see how the hell I'm able to get it. You know what I'm saying? Because some people, yeah, I gotta see down there, bro. See how I'm fish it up, pretty much, y'all. Probably through here, run it up, because the fan is obviously right here. So if I just run it through right here, yep, zip tie it up through here, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Y'all know me. I always figure something out, CEEFAM. But yeah, that's pretty much how I'm gonna do it, man. This boy right here, pretty much gonna go, I don't know, let's see, probably like right here, something light, because obviously, y'all, like the further I put it away over here, the more I'm gonna have to stretch and reach my hand, y'all. So honestly, I really just want it centered. So I don't know. You can be technical, y'all, and count these little, I don't even know, these little honeycombs from right here to over here and then put it in the middle. Or you can just, you know, eyeball it, y'all. I just want it centered, right? Nothing too crazy. So probably just right here. And then there's a back plate that I have to put on there as well, y'all. So let me see. Where is that back plate? So you got to do back plate on there first. And then you got to put the screws on the back of this, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna get at y'all, man, whenever I actually get it on there. But you know what, honestly speaking, y'all, I really should just test it out first, right? Just to ensure that it worked. I'm always confident that the product gonna work, y'all, so I'm not gonna test it out, but y'all can test it out, man. So you got your negative right here, man. Then shit, your positive, my bad, is back here, right? So like I said, put your negative right here first, then your positive, put it back here. And then yeah, just test it out, right? You can connect to the app right here. I still have my old app, y'all, so yeah, it should be super duper easy for me to just sync up to it and mess with it. But yeah, stay tuned, man. Just like that, this boy is pretty much finished. All right, y'all, so I know I probably skipped a lot throughout the process, man, so I'm gonna just explain to y'all exactly how we did it. And I'm saying we, y'all, because I actually had help, you know. So a PFC, right, he came to the car, and the PFC in the military, y'all, is an E3. I'm an E6, right? So E3 came over and he was like admiring the car. We was chopping it up, whatever, right? Like, and he asked me like, hey man, like, you need help? I'm like, shit, if you want to help me, right? So initially, y'all, whenever I was running this piece, well, this cable to this board right here up, all right, y'all, like, I was watching the video and a dude had ran it through here, and then he had brought it up through, like, I don't know, y'all can't see down here, but pretty much just like a hole. He pretty much ran it up through here and all that, y'all. So what PFC Gonzalez was able to help me do, right? So pretty much, y'all, we ran it from right here, all right? This bezel was obviously out. Ran it up through here, some way, somehow. And then look, hopefully y'all can see that wire right there, right? So yeah, pretty much ran it up all the way. Look, the wire right there. I gotta do something to hide it. Well, no, I don't care about hiding it, man. People not gonna see it unless it's already there. So yeah, y'all, pretty much just ran it instead of going all the way through here and blah, blah, blah through there. Pretty much just ran it, you know, right here, up here, boom, as y'all see, ran it up through here, y'all. And then boom, up through here, all right? And then it's pretty much tucked it underneath this, right? Ran it all the way through this little wire trim and all that right here. And then it pretty much came out. Where did it come out through? Damn. Pretty much came out through up here, y'all. Right, so pretty much ran it out through up here. And then, yeah, pretty much just tucked all this in here, y'all. Need to do a better job at just tucking it away. But, yeah, got my negative on my ground right here. Got my positive right here, y'all. You could also run it over here to your positive or your red wire, but I didn't do that, y'all. So I just kept it simple, kept it clean, man. Right, even from back here, you can't really tell. Nothing was ran, nothing was done. All right, y'all, like a person really got to come and look through here and, oh, wow, what's that? Whatever, right? So, yeah, this light is on. Honestly, y'all, I don't really know. So, I think I was supposed to wire something with this DRL versus battery. I didn't do that, y'all. I never had to do that on none of my RGB Halo Kit installs before, y'all. All right, and I'm actually recording on my phone, so I can't really go through all the modes on the app, y'all. But what I can do is just turn this on for y'all. So, 1, 2, 3. Boom. All right, y'all, so I think this board is clean just like this. All right, this is just the rainbow setting right here. Say speed, auto, whatever. But yeah, y'all, man, let me know what y'all think. I think this board look good for sure. The board's about to close. What's going on, boss? But yeah, I think it looks good, man. Finally got it. Finally got it to work, man. Finally got it to work. Yeah, bro. So, nah, I appreciate it, man. Oh, snap. It just... Huh? You did over. Oh, no. Well, I mean, it was me and somebody else actually came to help me out. You know what I'm saying? So, but, yeah, it's pretty much good to go, man. You know? But, yeah, all I'm really about to do now is just finish recording, clean up, and then get up out of here, man. I mean, y'all close at 7, yeah?
6:30 is clean up.
Okay, 6:30 is clean up. Okay, too easy, yeah. I will start cleaning up now and then get up out of here. I got you. 39? Okay, I got you, bro. I got you. My boy trying to kick me out, man. He said, hurry up, get out. No, you good. You can have it, bro. Yep. My boy trying to kick me out. Y'all at 6:39. You know, 6:30 is cleanup, y'all. So I just wanted to show y'all, man. I really might just take y'all to the gas station or something, man. And then just show y'all over there as well how this boy look. But yeah, man, this boy look good though, y'all. I'm pretty satisfied, bro. I've been prolonging this. Yo, I don't know what the hell this blue wire is, y'all. Like, it literally runs like from up here, and then it runs like underneath the car and to the back. I don't know what this is, y'all. I have no idea. If somebody can tell me what that blue wire was or is, that'd be greatly appreciated, y'all. But yeah, it's currently doing its own thing right now. It's on all the modes. It's just doing its own thing, y'all. Like I said, I wish I was recording from like my other camera so I can show y'all all the modes, because I'm connected to the app and all that already, y'all. But yeah, this boy look good though, y'all. I'm really debating, man, if we should do like a yellow stripe down the middle, or should we do a black stripe, man. And hold up. So yeah, see, from pretty much right here, y'all, to right here, you see this like body line or this hood indentation? I really want to just do one stripe all the way down the front bumper. So yeah, see, this is also why, y'all, I had to move. Oh snap. This is also why I had to move this license plate bracket, Stolen Show, from right here to right here, y'all, because like I said, if I would have kept this right here, it would have been in the way of the badge, y'all. I want the badge to kind of speak for itself, right? So I had to move this from over here to over here, and I didn't want it to look too cluttered. All right, y'all, that's the last thing I wanted, was clutter. I'd rather it just be this on this side, this on that side, and still got my little lane assist and all that smart camera stuff in the front. That's too easy, y'all. But yeah, like I said, pretty much ran it, you know, from right here straight up. Y'all seen the cord right here through the grill, right? And then yeah, to the battery, the ground, and all that, y'all. So that's how I did mine, right? There's many ways to skin a cat, y'all, but hey, that's just how your boy did it, man. But hey, them boys are trying to kick me out, like I said. So yeah, I'm about to, and I didn't really even use zip ties, y'all. I didn't need zip ties, at least not for this one. Usually I do zip ties and all that, y'all. I didn't do that this time. It's cool. But yeah, I got another remote. That's cool too. Yeah, pretty much finna clean up, man, because them boys trying to kick me out. They close at 7. It's literally, let me see. Hold on, boy. What time is it? 6:42. So I'm gonna try to be out of here by 6:50 ball. Let's get to it, man. All right, CEEFAM. So it's currently the next morning. All right, y'all. Just want to show y'all the good badge, man. So as y'all see right here, we got the flow LED, or pretty much the app. All right, y'all. So if I hit this boy right here, all right, it'll do its thing. It says connecting. That's fine. Boom, turn it on, and voila, we got this boy lit up like a Christmas tree. You understand? Slight work right here, bro. Look at that. Boom, that boy good, bright. And yeah, like I said, bro, this thing got too many different options. Yeah, this boy, man, why is it only, okay, it's still connecting. There we go. Rainbow meteor, yeah, y'all, it's really instant too, right? Rainbow wave, rainbow, what did it say? Rainbow jump. Y'all see it's jumping, man. So rainbow stars, right, y'all? So I don't know, this thing is cool, man. What does it say? Red, yellow, fire. Right, so yeah, this thing, as y'all know, man, RGB Halo kits, super duper instant. All right, I'm just going through. This thing got 146 different flavors, man. 146 of them. White segment. Then you can go pretty much solid colors as well, right? So I can go boom, and it's on white right now. You see that as I'm going around? This thing gonna keep changing colors, keep changing. So yeah, y'all, I don't know. Pretty good setup, man. All right, I like how it looked. You know what I mean? Because yeah, as of right now, CEEFAM, nobody really knows it's a Trackhawk because I don't have no badges, no nothing, right? And I kind of like it like that, y'all. At the same time, it's like, you know, like I don't know, I'm comfortable with it in Germany. Nothing ever happened to my Hellcat, nothing. So this right here is way more sleek than the Hellcat, y'all. Even if I put badges on this and all that, the only thing that I won't do on this CEEFAM is just put the big Trackhawk logos on the back doors and all that. I'm not gonna advertise this as a Trackhawk like that. That's just scream, hey, this is a Trackhawk, come steal me. I don't like the big logos on the back like that, like how people put on the back doors on both sides. I don't like that. That just, nah, come steal me, I got a Trackhawk. That's all that mean, y'all. But now, like, shit, the badge is straight, you know, like I said. Yeah, I like it, man. The app is always pretty good. All right, I got this badge from rgbhalokits.com. Use code CWILL, man. You know, as I told y'all, use code CWILL. But yeah, I can change it says down here, I can change the direction. So y'all see how it's going pretty much from right to left, right to left. Now, if I hit this, right, it'll go the other way, left to right, and then go back again, right to left. See what I mean? So change that, change the pixels, change the speed, right? If I just want a better transition, I'll go from 10 to like 5 pretty much, right? Just so I can see it better. All right, and then the brightness as well, y'all. So see how it's super bright right now? Boom, change the brightness, go back super bright, or I can just put the brightness down to like 50 probably, just to like preserve the life of it. That's what I like to do, right? And then pixels, I put the pixels all the way up. I don't know if that really make a difference, to be honest, the pixels, but yeah, I might just put the pixels on like 50 or 60, I don't know, whatever. But yeah, y'all see it, man. This big old license plate, like I said, I had to move it, because if I would have put it right here, as y'all see how high the license plate come up, right, boy, come all the way up here. So if I would have kept it right here, it would have been a badge, and then the license plate would have kind of been covering the bottom of the badge. But that was an easy little move. It wasn't too bad, CEEFAM. But yeah, man, hey, let me know what y'all boys think. You know, the Willis family trying to get a little festive, man. You know, everybody, well, a lot of people on the block got lights and all that, y'all. So yeah, your boy had to at least try to, you know, do something for the crib. This is my first time decorating, y'all. So shit, yeah. But hey, let me know, man, what y'all boys think. This install wasn't really bad, man. Yeah, I actually got a couple bruises and all that on my wrist. But hey, find y'all somebody with some small hands and y'all gonna be good, bro. You know what I'm saying? Or even if y'all do got small hands, y'all gonna be good, man, for sure. But hey, I appreciate y'all boys. All right, now look, let me turn this boy off. So boom, hit the off right here. It's pretty instant too. Boom. All right, and even whenever it is dark or nighttime out, right, the white still pop. All right, y'all, so I ain't even tripping. The white still look good. So even from afar, bro, right, people that's gonna walk by, they gonna be like, oh shit, it's the SRT, and what's that? It's not a Hellcat, it's a Hawk. Yeah, like that boy D-Lo say. And then yeah, I have my yellow fender badges coming right here, right? So I'm gonna have one Hawk on this side, other Hawk on that side, just trying to play off the yellow brake calipers. I could always change the brake calipers, CEEFAM, to a different color. And then like I said, y'all, I don't know, and I always put this on my Instagram first, I don't know if I should do a yellow stripe, you know, from right here to here, right, just straight down. All right, boom, a yellow stripe, or if I should just do a black stripe. The yellow stripe is gonna play off the fender badges and the yellow brake calipers. All right, black is gonna be more sleek, but it's still gonna be noticeable, man. Right, that black, that matte black on top of that crystal granite gray color that I got, it's gonna still pop. So honestly, y'all, I can't go wrong with either or. Yellow definitely just gonna pop more. The black gonna be more subtle, but it's gonna pop because it's gonna be a matte. So hey, I know it's kind of hard to visualize it right now, y'all, because it's dark. Tried to get y'all, you know, how it look at night pretty much. But yeah, man, hey, we got the hardest car on the block, CEEFAM. Hardest car on the block again. My whole neighborhood, bro. You know, we work hard for this, man. So, but hey, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. Shit, I'm CWill, and y'all my CEEFAM. All right, now holla at y'all boys on the next one, baby.